Want to turn your passion into profit? Today I'll show you how to start a blog in 2024 that makes money. First, pick a niche you're passionate about and that has potential for profit. Look for areas with demand. Think personal finance, health, travel, or tech. Research what's trending and focus on what you can consistently create content about. Next, choose your blogging platform. WordPress.org is the most popular, giving you full control and endless customization options. Plus, you can monetize it easily. Pair it with hosting services like Bluehost or SiteGround to get your blog online. Pick a domain name that's easy to remember and reflects your niche. Try to keep it short and relevant. Use services like Namecheap or GoDaddy to check availability and register your domain. Once you have your domain, set up hosting. This is where your blog lives online. Hosting providers like Bluehost or SiteGround often offer one-click WordPress installations, making it simple to get started. Now design your blog. Pick a clean, user-friendly theme that reflects your niche. Make sure your design is mobile responsive, since most traffic will come from phones. You can find free or premium themes on marketplaces like ThemeForest or within WordPress itself. Content is king. Start by creating pillar content, posts that are detailed, informative, and solve problems for your audience. Aim for consistency. Post valuable content regularly to build trust with your audience. Make sure to include SEO-friendly titles, meta descriptions, and relevant keywords. Tap the plus icon or use / on your keyboard to add images or paragraphs. When you are done, tap on Publish to make it live. After creating content, promote it. Use social media, Pinterest, and email marketing to drive traffic. Join niche communities and engage with your target audience. You can also collaborate with other bloggers and influencers for exposure. Once you've built some traffic, it's time to monetize. You can start with affiliate marketing by recommending products and earning a commission. Google AdSense is another way to make money with ads. Consider selling digital products like ebooks or online courses. Offering consulting services can also generate revenue. Blogging in 2024 offers huge potential if you stay consistent and provide value. Focus on creating great content, promoting it, and monetizing smartly. That's how you build a profitable blog. Subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video.